Welcome to the Wealth Elite, where you will find life-changing videos. If you have not subscribed yet, you are missing out.
In today's world, it's more important than ever to have a plan for achieving financial stability and independence. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. First, let's define what we mean by rich and successful. To some people, being rich means having a lot of money in the bank. To others, it means having the freedom to do what they want, when they want, without worrying about finances. And success can mean different things to different people as well. It could mean achieving a high level of career success, or it could mean having strong relationships and a fulfilling personal life. No matter what your definition of rich and successful is, there are some key principles that can help you get there.
In this video, we're going to share 7 tips that will help you achieve your financial goals and live the life you've always wanted.
Number 1, set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. When it comes to achieving any kind of success, it's crucial to have a clear plan in place. One of the best ways to do this is to set SMART goals. SMART goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means that they are well-defined, with specific targets and deadlines. By setting SMART goals, you can break down your big, long-term goals into smaller, more manageable steps. This will make it easier to stay on track and make progress towards your ultimate objective. Tip number 2, take control of your finances. One of the biggest obstacles to achieving financial success is a lack of control over your money. Many people find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, unable to save for the future or invest in their own success. To take control of your finances, you need to understand where your money is going and make a plan to spend and save wisely. This means creating a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, and finding ways to increase your income. By taking control of your finances, you can start to build a strong financial foundation and set yourself up for long-term success. Tip number 3, be persistent and consistent. Achieving financial success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, effort, and dedication to build wealth and reach your goals. That's why it's important to be persistent and consistent in your efforts. Tip number 4, take calculated risks. In order to achieve financial success, you need to be willing to take risks. This doesn't mean being reckless or making impulsive decisions. But it does mean being open to new opportunities and stepping outside your comfort zone. This could mean starting your own business, investing in the stock market, or trying something new in your career. Of course, it's important to carefully evaluate the risks and potential rewards before making any major decisions. But by taking calculated risks, you can open up new doors to success. Tip number 5, be proactive and take action. Achieving financial success is not something that will happen on its own. It requires proactive effort and action. This means taking the initiative to make things happen, rather than waiting for opportunities to come to you. It could mean reaching out to potential clients, applying for a new job, or starting a side hustle. By being proactive and taking action, you can create your own opportunities for success. Tip number 6, learn from your mistakes and failures. No one is perfect, and everyone makes mistakes. The key is to learn from those mistakes and failures and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. When you face setbacks or challenges, take the time to reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. By learning from your mistakes and failures, you can avoid repeating them and continue to make progress towards your goals. Tip number 7, stay positive and optimistic. Finally, achieving financial success requires a positive and optimistic attitude. This means staying focused on your goals, even when things get tough. It means believing in yourself and your abilities, and not letting setbacks or challenges discourage you. By staying positive and optimistic, you can maintain the motivation and determination you need to reach your goals. We hope you found this video helpful and that it gave you some valuable insights and actionable steps to take on your journey towards financial success. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.